So the Going Out program is a very integral and important part of the elementary experience. The children start the process of learning how to plan and execute a going out. When they're in the lower elementary, they may go to a museum or go visit a bakery if they're interested in how bread is baked. And by the time they get to the upper elementary, they should be pretty well versed in the process of going out. Their research at this age starts to get more in depth, and going out then becomes a really important aspect of their research. They're responsible for planning the trip, they're responsible for making any arrangements necessary, calling the place, seeing if there's a specialist. I have one really favorite place that a lot of the children go in this class in the upper elementary. There's a wonderful rock shop in Frederick, Maryland, and it's called Earthly Elements, and the gentleman who owns that shop is a geologist, so it gives them an opportunity to speak to an expert firsthand on the topic that they're interested in. The adults are necessary for this process, however, they are simply there to provide a car ride and some extrinsic safety for the children just in this day and age. But the adults should really be a silent partner in the process and let the children really drive their experience.